In today's video, we're going to take a look at the best refrigerator in the market right now. I made this list of 7 best refrigerators based on my own experience. Number 7. NewAir Built-in Beverage Refrigerator. NewAir Built-in Beverage Refrigerator is a quiet, front-venting compressor system. This has a 5.3 cubic foot spacious beverage center that holds up to 177 cans. Front-venting compressor technology gives the option to build into cabinetry. Key feature: digital controls, spacious interior, triple-paned glass, adjustable shelves. Number 6. Avanti RCA RFR320-B-RFR321 Refrigerator. This refrigerator works perfectly and adjusted if the fridge part is in the high 30s while the freezer hovers near 0. A compressor fridge like this just cools better than a propane model. 3 amps times 24 hours is 72 ampere hours and a really good AGM deep cycle battery. Key feature: adjustable glass shelves, 2-door apartment, have interior light, can heat control. Number 5. Vremi Beverage Refrigerator. This Vremi cooler works quietly and offers an interior, white LED light to illuminate your beverages. It's made of high-quality, durable materials and is an elegant, decorative finish that lights up any retro or modern kitchen. Our cooler, with energy-efficient, advanced technology. Key feature: durable, auto defrosts mode, maintains balance, advanced technology. Number 4. RCA RFR320-B-RFR321 Refrigerator. This fridge is perfect for a small office, dorm room, kitchen, or playroom. The compressor cooling fridge will keep your drinks and food at a perfect temperature. With the built-in freezer, you can store your dinner, ice cream, or other snacks. Key feature: versatile use, adjustable thermostat, perfect lever feet, CFC free. Number 3. BLACK+DECKER BCRK17B Refrigerator. This space is a small refrigerator. The removable glass shelf expands the storage space and makes the fridge easy to clean. Additional door storage fits 2 cans or small containers on the top shelf, and a liter or taller bottles and containers on the bottom shelf. Key feature: large capacity, compact and stylish, removable glass shelf, reversible door. Number 2. Midea 3.1 cubic feet compact refrigerator. Designed to operate with Energy Star efficiency, the Midea 3.1 cubic feet double-door compact refrigerator offers a separate fridge and freezer sections with plenty of space for produce, snacks, and frozen treats. It is an adjustable leg and a reversible door that opens to the left or right. Key feature: 3.1 cubic feet capacity, stainless steel body, double-door compact, hassle-free cleaning. Number 1. hOmeLabs Beverage Refrigerator. The hOmeLabs beverage cooler is ideal for any space, to keep all drinks at their coolest. The freestanding cooler has a transparent glass door with a stainless steel frame for constant beverage viewing pleasure. Its sleek black exterior and white LED interior light bulb to allow you to see your beverages, day or night. Key feature: large capacity, adjustable thermostat, removable shelves, glass door. If you want to buy any of them, please check the link below on the description for price and more information. And that's all for now. If you found our list useful, don't forget to hit the like button. Subscribe for more amazing product reviews and buying guides.